Hi everyone, it's Joy from Artful Homemaking. Today we're going to be making Instant Pot Elderberry Syrup. The Instant Pot is one of my favorite kitchen tools ever. Elderberry syrup, it's super healthy, really good for you, especially during cold and flu season. So today we're just gonna quickly whip some up in the Instant Pot. So the only thing you're gonna need to make this is 4 cups of filtered water, and I just use water filtered in our Berkey water filter. So 4 cups of filtered water, and then 1 cup of elderberries, dried elderberries, and 2 cinnamon sticks, and about 1 inch of cut ginger we're going to use. And then after the elderberry syrup is cooked, we're going to strain it and we're going to put some raw honey in it. And that has really beneficial properties as well, and also makes it taste a little bit better. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Place all of these ingredients in the Instant Pot insert. So we've got our 4 cups of filtered water, our 1 cup of dried elderberries, 2 cinnamon sticks, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. So the next thing you're gonna do is just put the lid on and seal it, set it to sealing, your little vent thing. Then we're gonna push the manual button and you're gonna set it to 15 minutes. You're gonna let it cook for 15 minutes. First it's gonna build up pressure, and then after the cooking time is up, then you're gonna let it do a natural release. Okay, now the cooking time is up and we've done a natural release, which means you've just let it come, the pressure release naturally rather than doing a quick release. Now we're going to remove the lid. I'm going to remove the pot. And then you're going to pour this liquid through a fine mesh strainer. And I've got mine over a bowl here. So you're just going to pour everything into the strainer. So now we're going to take the back of the spoon and just kind of press on the berries and try to get as much of the juice out as you possibly can, because there's a lot of good stuff in there. And then we're just going to discard the berries and the cinnamon sticks. I'm just going to set those aside for now. Then we're going to take the elderberry syrup that we now have. We now have some hot elderberry syrup. So now we've strained the elderberry syrup liquid into a bowl. And I'm just going to let this cool, and then I'm going to add the honey. Now that our elderberry syrup has cooled for a while, it's not quite so hot, I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 cup of honey. We get our honey from local Amish. Buy it in bulk in these big jars. I don't know if you can see it back here. So it's really good if you can use local raw honey, but if not, any kind of honey will work. And mix it up really well. And then I'm just going to pour the completed elderberry syrup into a jar. Hopefully this isn't going to make a huge mess. I have a canning funnel that will hopefully make it a little less messy. Try to be careful. Yikes. Go ahead and pour it into your container, and then you're just going to put a lid on it and label it, and it should stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. With 7 people in our family, we usually it doesn't stay around for a very long time, but so a couple of weeks. And so I'll put some links in the description below to show you where to buy elderberries, where to buy some of the equipment, and also a link to the blog post that will have full instructions and a printable recipe sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video and learning how to make your own Instant Pot elderberry syrup. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week, and I'd love to have you join us as we create a simple, natural, handmade home.